Good afternoon, Professor. So, this is my personal timetable of this week. So, last week I prepared the sample for the SAM, FM, and FTIR, and continuing my paper writing as per the schedule. For the RF biosensor paper, I submitted that paper in Advanced Biotechnology, but they have returned our paper due to self-plagiarism. So I will check the copy killer for this paper, sir. For the TA work, I will be coding this week lecture of the class lab, and this week I'll continue my paper, and I asked to my juniors Tongmin to check for the characterization in nanopap, and I prepared comparison table. And for the RF biosensor preview paper, I will checking the copy killer and communicate with Dr. Sachin and Dr. Daniel. And for the TA work, I will be recording the next class PPT and video on KLS. I will upload and continuing the new student support. So this is my paper writing plans. This time with the corona detection, where graphene IDC NHS, and AD detection is the next plan using the graphene OLED also, and then PSA with the Dr. Sachin for the new PSA. And this is our two protein planning. So for the corona testing, this is my schedule for my paper. I was trying to finish this paper as soon as possible. So I checked the SAM, AFM, and FTIR characterization. I asked to my junior Dongmin to check whether where we can do our characterization. This is our candidates of the paper, sir. Abstract, introduction with some references I already prepared, and for the comparison table, I'm preparing this table for the comparison. All the techniques with have been detected the different viruses which I'm focusing, and the method of detection is different, and using the graphene material, and this is limit of detection. I have collected some references and continuing the table. This is our some schematic figure I prepared with the help of Chaya. This is our chip and graphene oxide seed, and this is EDC NHS and spiked antibody and spiked antigen. Here I'll be using AFM and AFM pictures for the graphene oxide and EDC NHS. This is our contact angle picture for the graphene oxide and EDC NHS, and I will be using some more picture for the SAM also for my paper. This is a previous prepared strategy how we are doing this experiment, chemical reactions and recipe, all the experimental process chart. This is our chip, what we are following in our experiment. So last week I prepared this experimental process for the testing, This is for the exam. And this Friday I prepared some more samples for the AFM and FTIR. For the AFM and FTIR, this is with the chip with graphene oxide and EDC NHS. And now I will focus with our chip figure and equivalent circuit, and for final picture I will replace this our chip picture for the AFM and SAM. This is our stepwise process. I will change this picture and figure picture for the chip also, sir, after getting our results. For the TA work, I'm preparing the video class for the next class, and for the today's class I already sent the messages and the email to student that this week we will have online class only, sir, due to safety purpose for the corona. And this is my personal achievement plan, sir. This is conference seminar abstract which already have been published. That's all, sir. Thank you, professor.